What's the meaning of affecting? Affecting. 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 The term affecting means having an impact or influence on someone or something. It refers to the ability of a particular event, circumstance, or condition to produce a noticeable effect or change in behavior, emotions, or other aspects of an individual's life. When something is affecting, it can cause both positive and negative outcomes, depending on the context. For instance, a sudden change in economic policies could be affecting the business environment, causing some companies to thrive while others struggle to survive. Overall, affecting indicates the power to produce changes or consequences that are significant and noticeable.